Hey folks, welcome back. I apologize about the time away between the videos. Just had a lot of crazy things going on in the personal life and dealing with car troubles and all the fun stuff that comes along with stuff. But I wanted to get back into the videos and start with an unboxing. I've actually had this at my house for about 2 weeks now, and the hardest thing ever is not opening it. This is the Breville Smart Waffle Pro. It is the 4-slice. This is the Mac Daddy. This is the big boy on the waffle market. It's not cheap. It is a $250 waffle maker, but as you know from my previous videos, having a Williams-Sonoma outlet, I was able to get one in and I got it 40% off, so I saved $100 on it. I paid $150 for it, but it is one of the things that I've been looking forward to the most out of the kitchen that I've been building. The reason is I'm a huge waffle guy. Breakfast foods, French toast, waffles, pancakes, I love it all. Don't usually eat it a lot at breakfast time, but I actually grew up as one of those kids eating breakfast for dinner, sometimes for lunch, just all depending on when my mom wanted to make it. But I wanted to do a quick unboxing of this before I actually got to use it and get into a few of the wonderful things that come with this. If you have not seen one of these, this particular waffle maker has the digital timer. It's got the light and dark settings to it. The thing that I love the most about this Breville product compared to using other waffle makers, anytime you make a waffle, especially the round ones, you put your batter in, you always get overflow of the batter. It's a pain to clean up. It is a big time mess. It's just something you don't ever really want to deal with. This actually has a built-in moat. It goes around the cylinder that actually sits where the waffles are made. So anytime that extra batter spills out all over it, it's heated to the same temperature that you're cooking your waffle. So the thermocooker on here actually will heat your waffle all the way through and make it designed so you can make a waffle without all the mess. That's the biggest thing that many people look for when they're making a waffle. And it's a big reason why people don't make waffles. It's such a mess and such a cleanup. The other great thing behind this is it does have the bit more setting, which most of the Breville products do have now. This allows you to cook your waffle or your toast or anything that you're doing with one of their products for just a little bit longer. It kind of resets the timer to it. Let's go ahead and get into this. I do want to get in here and get this done up. So let me get up here for us, guys. Of course, it's going to come with instructions. The 1-year limited warranty that'll come with all Breville products. Let's see if we can lay this down and get this out of here. This thing is not light. It is definitely a big utensil for the kitchen. All right. Let's get us going here. Let's get us down this way so we're set up correctly. Take off styrofoam. Everything that comes with Breville always comes extremely well packed. This does come with a batter scoop. It doesn't seem to have a ledge on it or a lip to pour out, but it does have 1/2 and 1 cup measure on it, so that'll be nice for making waffles. Get this other piece out of here. Alright, let's get this up here out of the way. Again, if you've ever seen the Breville products, their plug is amazing. It's got the little loophole here in it, which allows you to grip in and pull out. Makes pulling it out of the socket a lot easier. If you've ever had to deal with things in weird spots, this allows you to get that finger hook and really get some tension behind it. Let's get this out of the plastic here. All right. It's got the good brushed stainless steel to it. It is heavy, for if you can't tell, maybe you can hear it coming down. It does have a lockable latch here on the side, so anytime that clicks through, makes it great for when you're making your waffle or storing it. Allows you to keep it clean and neat. All right, this does have a very deep well for the waffles. This will make thick square cut waffles. Let's see here, get some of this styrofoam out of here. Take the little cover off the front here. So this does have the cute little sticker on it. It tells you the times. The best part that I do really enjoy about this as well is you can set what type of waffle you're making. It'll set the temperature and it'll create that waffle the way you want to make it to its most optimal time. It has Belgians, classic, chocolate, buttermilk, or you can actually create your own custom time. So if there's a certain style waffle that you make, a cinnamon waffle, if you're making an apple waffle, making something that's got different settings to it, you can create and figure out and exactly know what time you are. So if you want to set that 5th dial as your style breakfast and you know that your family enjoys the apple waffle, you know that it takes 6.5 minutes to cook an apple waffle. I don't know how long it'll take. It'll just be a time. But it would set that timer to it and you don't have to mess with it. That's a wonderful feature to have. These are all dialed up. Really smooth, brush clean. You can hear it click. So that'll work out wonderful. So this is the Breville Smart Waffle Pro 4-slice. I'm going to do a few tests here with it in the next day or so. I want to get down, make some different style waffles, make some chocolate chip waffles, some Belgians, some buttermilks, and we'll see what these work with. I do have a few recipes that I am going to want to mess around with. Living in the South, I'm going to try and make some chicken waffles. I know a lot of people, my family included, think chicken and waffles don't go together, but living down here, they're freaking amazing. So thanks for tuning in. This is the Breville Smart Waffle Pro. I hope this was able to help you guys out if you're interested in any of these. I will see you guys soon, and as always, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're trying to build this channel up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Later, guys.